Hey, what's going on? Okay, so this is technically the start of the video that I'm doing now, and I just came back from a relatively cheap retail store over there in my area to buy this 169 peso knife. So 169 pesos, that's like, yeah, it's fairly cheap. And yeah, the knife, although it does look quite big, looks good also, it feels good, but it does feel cheap. The blade feels cheap, and it's not that sharp at all. So what I'm gonna do for this video is I'm gonna use my amateur skills and try to sharpen this knife as much as I can, because it's a really cool looking knife, and you know, just to prove the point that the pricier blade, given a little effort, can be a good knife. So yeah, I'll see you when I sharpen this. Taking a look at the knife, so it's 169 pesos. That's this much dollars. So yeah, it's fairly cheap. It comes in this nice bag, plastic handle. Wait here, let's open it up. Sorry about the dogs. Yep, so here's the knife again. Yeah, the handle does feel really cheap. The blade, it's okay, it's not flimsy, it's quite sturdy. It already is. It's not really sharp. Yeah, cheap knife. We'll try to sharpen it as much as we can. The grip does feel good. Yeah, this is really cheap plastic. All my other knives are probably more expensive than this and smaller than this. But yeah, we'll try to do with what we have, try to have fun. And yeah, let's sharpen this knife. Okay, now time to sharpen. Just a little update on the knife. So the bag, the cover broke. What do you expect from a cheap knife? Okay. So, just a disclaimer, I am by no means an expert in knife sharpening. I just have some experience because I've tried it, and also some experience with working with metal in my school. It's part of my degree. So, and yeah, I'm not even a graduate yet. So yeah, I'm an amateur. By no means am I a professional, and I'm just gonna try my best to make this better. Alright, so to conclude this video after some time of sharpening and testing, I'd like to say this knife is not a bad knife. So it came out of the box relatively sharp, so it was already kind of sharp when I bought it. I just sharpened it some more and tested it out, as you can see. So there are better tactical knives out there, better camping knives out there to buy. Of course, this is like 190 pesos only. It's fairly cheap. Could be even like, you know, feels cheap. But there's a lot of different factors that make it cheap. Maybe it's the handle quality, which is, yeah, it's pretty crap. Or the how long it lasts. Maybe this isn't even stainless steel, I guess. Or how well it's made, so if you can open this up, the knife doesn't extend all the way, the metal doesn't extend all the way here, which may not be a good thing. But so far, as you saw, it got the job done. A little work made it a little bit more smooth and shiny, gave it a better finish. It is sharper, and we'll see how long this lasts. So yeah, you saw it chopped up, it cut up wood there. Of course, this is not an axe. You're not supposed to chop wood with this, but yeah, it cut through the wood pretty easily, and I was able to split it with little effort. So yeah, so far this knife is not a bad knife, and working on it with my amateur skills was fun. So again, if you're just using your knife for simple things, just get a affordable one and put a little work into it, and it'll serve you well.